How to fix Snapchat camera quality on iPhone. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can fix Snapchat camera quality on iPhone. Now, Snapchat uses your default camera. There is no any particular option to simply change it or improve it. But what you can keep in mind is what you can do is you can use the upload snap feature on Snapchat. For instance, if you use your default camera instead of Snapchat camera, then you'll have pretty much good quality. You can take snaps from your camera and then you can upload it using the upload feature, which is simply head over to the head over, use the search icon to search gallery, or you can open up camera roll, you can search for anything and you can upload it from your gallery. So this way, right? So I took this snap from my camera previously and now I can set it this way, right? You can see it will come up in good quality. You also want to make sure that you are connected to particularly good internet connection, as internet affects the quality of the snaps that you send highly. So you want to make sure you are connected to stable internet connection. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.